Hello, friends. Well, sensitive skin requires cleansing that respects the skin barrier, minimizes irritants, and provides reliable moisture without fragrance interference. I tested each product on standardized shower conditions, evaluated residue, skin feel post-dry, scent tolerance. The 5 products covered here include options from Aveeno, Ivory, Cetaphil, KESMEDIK, and Vanicream. So, let's go. Product number 1. Aveeno Skin Relief Fragrance-Free Body Wash. Aveeno Skin Relief Fragrance-Free Body Wash uses a triple oat blend, oat flour, oat extract, oat oil, designed to soothe itchy, dry, sensitive skin while cleansing without fragrance, dyes, parabens, or soap. The 33-ounce bottle size emphasizes value, and the formula leverages Aveeno's dermatologist-recommended heritage to support moisture retention during cleansing. The absence of fragrance and dyes aligns with sensitive skin safety expectations, and the product is marketed as suitable for daily use, with a follow-up moisturizer recommended to lock in moisture for up to 48 hours after use. Performance-wise, the triple oat system helps reinforce the skin barrier during cleansing, reducing post-wash tightness and providing a comfortable feel. In practical use, the product lathers moderately, rinses cleanly. Product number 2. Ivory Body Wash. Ivory's fragrance-free body wash targets family use with a minimalist ingredient set, 10 purposeful ingredients, and NEA recognition for eczema-prone skin. The formula is plant-based, pH-balanced, and designed for daily cleansing without common irritants such as dyes, parabens, phthalates, silicones, or heavy fragrances. The 35-ounce bottle emphasizes value and broad accessibility for households with varied skin needs, including children over 3 years old. Performance-wise, Ivory prioritizes gentle cleansing over intense moisturizing. It relies on plant-based surfactants and a balanced pH to minimize disruption to the skin barrier. The absence of fragrance and dyes reduces irritant exposure, making it a solid baseline option for sensitive or eczema-prone skin. The NEA approval adds clinical alignment for eczema concerns. Product number 3. Cetaphil Body Wash. Cetaphil's Moisturizing Relief Body Wash targets sensitivity with a creamy, rich formula designed to restore and protect the skin's moisture barrier. It emphasizes 24-hour dryness relief through a blend featuring glycerin, shea butter, avocado oil, and other emollients, while remaining fragrance-free and hypoallergenic. The bottle size, 20 ounces, is practical for regular use and travel-friendly compared to extra-large family sizes. In practice, this cleanser offers a soft, cushiony lather and a creamy texture that rinses cleanly without leaving residue. Its emphasis on barrier support makes it suitable for daily use on dry or sensitive skin, with a dermatologist-tested label underscoring its suitability for those with sensitive or reactive skin. Because it's fragrance-free and sulfate-free, it performs well for those who need to avoid common irritants. Product number 4. Tea Tree Body Wash Max Therapy. KESMEDIK's Tea Tree Body Wash Max Therapy leverages 100% pure tea tree oil with additional botanical supports, aloe vera, eucalyptus, to target a broad range of skin irritations, itch relief, and protective cleansing. The 2-pack provides added value for users dealing with persistent, itchy, or irritated skin conditions, athletic skin issues, or sensitive skin needing a robust anti-itch solution without synthetic fragrances or harsh sulfates. Performance-wise, tea tree oil offers antimicrobial and soothing properties that can help with itch relief and minor irritations. The formula emphasizes deep cleansing without harsh sulfates and claims to be gentle enough for daily use by all ages, including athletes or those with active lifestyles. Some users may experience an initial tingle or aroma from tea tree oil, which may be a pro for some and a con for fragrance-sensitive individuals. Product number 5, Vanicream Gentle Body Wash. Vanicream's Gentle Body Wash is a minimalist, irritant-free formula designed for the most sensitive skin. It intentionally excludes fragrance, dyes, lanolin, sulfates, parabens, formaldehyde releasers, essential oils, and other common irritants, focusing on a clean rinse and gentle moisturization. The product carries the NEA seal of acceptance and is widely recommended by dermatologists for sensitive populations. In use, Vanicream emphasizes a clean, non-drying cleanse with a pH-balanced profile, ensuring skin feels comfortable post-shower. The absence of fragrance and dyes minimizes sensory irritation, making it a strong baseline option for those with dermatitis or eczema. Some users may find the 12-ounce size limiting for heavy daily use or households with multiple adults, but the formula's simplicity and trusted reputation make it a consistent, safe choice for ongoing sensitive skin routines.